Alright. How are we doing, team? How are we doing, guys? And are you back in the bike? No, I'm not. Not yet, at least. Not yet, at least. Can I buy limit for the 990? No, no, no. No, no, no. How are we doing, guys? Welcome back, team. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Select team stand up. How are we doing, team? Welcome back, guys. How we doing, team? Guys, I gotta appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go get some Kleenex. All right, guys. How we doing, team? How are we doing, guys? Yo, I cannot wear white pants. Honestly, I just cannot wear white pants. I'm just retarded, honestly. Like, with white pants, I'm just super retarded. We're gonna DM in Telegram. I sent a message. I get you, bro. Welcome back, Dora. How are you doing, guys? Adele! How are we doing, team? Welcome back, guys. I guess I'm still on your live with nothing. Jad, when you post comments like this, alright, people think it happened, whatever, bro. Alright, so, like, you know, come on, man. You just cannot let your brother smash your live account, bro. Alright, you just don't let your live account near your brother, bro. Cause, I don't know what to tell you. Adele! Hello, brother. What's good, Jago? Waiting for an ex-profit stand up. Adele, your buy is on valid. The market being bearish. Yes, it is valid. Market could be bullish, bearish, sideways. Doesn't matter. We're back. So that was good. He gave us a trading morning that even hit. No, miss. It's not about that. It's just because Jad, you know, he's in the private group, and he let his live account open, and his brother basically just play with his live account, and basically lost all his money in the night or something like this. You know, he's not hating or anything. It's just because his little brother played with his live account. And then, of course, I answer you, Samantha. I sent a message to the private group. That's good, guys, but private group is closed. I will be depositing. It's really up to you, bro. It's really up to you, honestly. It's really up to you, honestly, bro. 500 is a good, you know, bare minimum to actually do. Of course, your goal is to make substantial profit. All right. To make substantial profit about a product. So let's go, bro. Amazing, man. My support will respond to you. Don't worry, bro. My support is 1K. Yes, I mean, personally, I start with 1,000 on a live account, and with 1,000, you can make at least substantial profit. So, yeah, what's up, Captain? What's good, Huey? How you doing? How you doing? Gold going to drop, maybe. Bro, I made $10 230 on my first trade. Did I? Yes, you did amazing, bro. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Just to make sure, you know, respect your risk management. Otherwise, it's amazing. And I will think, should I hold the sell from London session or take profit? That is a good question, bro. It's a good question. What is your trading plan? All right. Of course, right now we gotta wait for reversal, for potential reversal, guys. Let me just update. That's 46. That is 46, perfect. Yeah, so of course right now we could have potential reversal, all right? We could have a potential reversal. This is a strong 61. Me personally, I would get out of 80% of my position with this, and I would just stay with a nice little 20%. I'm doing good. I'm doing good here to learn from the best of the best. It's gone, Tamargibi, yes. Bison still valid. Yes, it is, of course. Maybe I take profit. We get a structure on the Bison. I mean, we got a structure already on the Bison. This is what we call a structure. It was not right on the Bison. So was it valid to take? No. So, because it wasn't valid to take, we'll only go back to 46. I don't think so. But yeah, good evening, Adele. Good evening, Nada. How we doing, CFX team? How we doing, guys? How we doing, team? Can you show again how you draw the fib? Yes, of course, guys. I'm gonna just wait a couple of minutes so everybody will be here, and I'm gonna show how I draw the fib. Yes, and the last day gold has so much volume. Yes and no. Gold has spiked. So in the last, Lily, thank you for the gift. In the last week, we had gold with sometimes a lot of volume, and sometimes with really low volume. So it's about spike right now with gold. Imad, how you doing? I'm doing amazing. Samantha, happy to be there. Amazing, Samantha. How you doing, guys? Hi there. Is your Bison valid? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you have a blueprint course? I do. I do not advertise it again, and I do not sell it openly like this. But I do have one, yes, for the people that really want to go deeper, at least deeper than the live, or maybe even deeper than the private group. Really understand everything about the strat. Yes, I do. Let's batch your zone when it comes. Yeah, we'll look for a buy. We'll look for a buy, guys. New York open in 13-minute, team. New York open in 13 minutes. Hello there, what's good, team? What's good, Orfeo? Can we buy? No, New York open at half two. I don't know which UTC you had, bro, but New York open in 13 minutes. In 13 minutes. In 13 minutes. What am I saying? New York open in an hour and a half. Sorry, guys. In an hour and 15 minutes. Not 15 minutes, guys. An hour and 15 minutes. Are you gonna buy? No. Adele, do you use a smoothed or simple EMA? I use the EMA and SMA, guys. I use the exponential moving average and the simple moving average. I learned from you the past 3 days than from this YouTube creator. Yeah, I mean, information on YouTube, bro, it's super manipulated. It's big misinformation, bro. YouTube, the thing with YouTube is that it's gonna confuse you more that you're gonna learn, you know? So you're gonna get maybe started. YouTube is never gonna learn you a solid strat. YouTube is not gonna, you know, teach you some solid, all right? It's really basic term, basic concept. Otherwise, it's just gonna confuse you. What should be the SL for buy at 49? We cannot put a SL yet, team, okay? When are we gonna put our SL, our stop loss? When we're gonna make a structure on our level. Once we make a structure on our level, we're gonna find the lowest wick, all right? The lowest wick of the candle, then we're gonna be able to put our SL under that. Back to business, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Wave after wave, slowly drifting. Let's see if we can take. Let's see if we can take. Let's see if we can take our second cash out of the day. Let's see if we can take our second cash out of the day. Easy, lovely. Gold, yes, Xauusd. Is this the H1 time frame? No, it's the M5. It's the M5. Yes, yes, user 177. Yes, I do, bro. Yes, bro. Damn! Perfect. Wave after wave. That song hit different, you know, when you hear the wave actually. Wave getting bigger, we hear. Hope there's no tsunami coming or something like that. Static on the radio, I can hear you calling. But the words get lost in the falling rain. Bon, appel 200 guys, 200. Super nice rejection. Then Jad, of course, go for it, bro. Bro, back in the office, dog. Back in the office. We have a pretty nice office now. We got that little lounge R&B house music. You recommend scalping, but or riding the market wave? I would not recommend scalping. Scalping is BS. Riding the market wave, what do you mean by that? Why you didn't buy call? Because it wasn't on our zone. I do, yes. He probably mean going with a trend, mate. Of course, we're going with a trade, yes. With a trend, yes. We took a trade this morning. Now we just came for the New York session, guys. We have the New York Open in an hour. We're having the New York Open in an hour. Try to find our way back to this place. I use the moving average. Very good question. So I use the moving average as a support and resistance. Okay, so when I see that the price is getting supported maybe by the EMA or the SMA, it's a good sign for us. I do not use the MA or the SMA as a way to understand the trend. Okay, because if you need the moving average to understand the trend, you need to take a step back. So I see a lot of people using the EMA, SMA or the moving average. Any moving average, doesn't matter the time of the moving average, the frame of the moving average as a way to understand the trend. And no, you got big problem if you're not able to understand the trend without the moving average. Second way to use the moving average, we use the moving average as a way to determine if there's accumulation, if there's imbalance, if there's instability in our price action. Okay, for example, we see that the moving average are not able to distance themselves. We see that the moving average in the last 2 hours, let's say, across each other, let's say 4 times. We understand that right now, price is highly manipulated. There's a lot of accumulation in the price. So when we see that, we gotta be careful, or maybe step back the market, step off the market side. Did you take the sell? Yes, we did. Yes, we did, bro. Yes, we did. Very nice close. Very nice close. If we potentially want to be able to break the 22%, come back to 44 to 46, or maybe to a higher sell zone. And damn! Claire! How you doing, Claire? That's a diddy. We're in a buy. No, we're not. No, we're not in a buy. We didn't touch. I mean, we did touch our buy zone, but we didn't make the structure in our buy zone, so we're not in the zone. We're not in the buy. We got a yield super aggressively dropping on M15. Same for the XY. I'm on the M5 on the XY, by the way, not the M15. And we have a super bullish close coming from gold. Please, I can show. No, I cannot show my flip sellings, guys. Not because I do not want to. I wish I could. I wish I could. I wish I could. But it's because TikTok hate that. So just give me a text. Just give me a text on the DLCFX support on the tele. I love you. Big love, Brad. Brad, I never saw you take a trade. Maybe it's because you come over here once a month, bro. What do you think? Huh? Because the last trade we took was 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, bro. Is Bill your brother? Yes, sir. Can you show again how to draw? Of course, guys, of course. So, team, we'll take a couple of seconds. We'll take a couple of seconds, guys. So you can see how I draw the fib, because I want you to have. Yes, there's many fake accounts of my name, guys. Join the private group. Let's go! Yes, Patrick. I saw you, man. I saw it. Big love, bro. That's amazing. That's amazing. Big things coming, bro. What I was gonna say, I say yes, guys. There's many fake accounts of me. All right. I'll never text you first. I never follow you first. I never ask you for any kind of money. I never ask you to manage your account. I never ask you for a pool, investment pool. Nothing. I'm the only Adele. There's no other account. All right. So you know you can see me. I'm here right now. Prior to that, I was gonna say that we're gonna take a couple of seconds. So I can show you how did I draw the fib. Why? Because it's very important that you have the same fib as me. Because it's very nice making money, but what's nicer is learning and being able to do it by yourself, all right? So we'll take a couple of seconds, guys. I'm gonna show you how did I draw our Fibonacci for this London session, for this New York session. Let me put it on the M15, so it's gonna be easier for you. So first of all, we have our sell Fibonacci. We have our sell Fibonacci that start at the highest impulse, as you can see over here. Highest impulse is exactly on 4802. 4802, guys. All right. Yes, I know, guys. We have news. 4802 is the highest impulse. Lowest impulse, because yes, a sell Fibonacci is from the highest impulse to the lowest impulse, okay? So highest impulse to the lowest impulse, guys. The lowest impulse is at 4552. So highest impulse 4802, highest impulse 4802, and lowest impulse, guys, is the 4552. Now our buy Fibonacci team, our buy Fibonacci, which is a smaller fib, all right, that I put on them 5 minutes. It's basically the only buy fib that we could put right now, which working very well. Lowest impulse, guys, because our buy Fibonacci, we're placing our buy from the lowest impulse to the highest impulse. Okay, guys? So lowest impulse to the highest impulse for the buy, and highest impulse to the lowest impulse for sell. So our lowest impulse is the same impulse as the sell, all right? So 45.52. But our highest impulse on the buy is 46.52. Wow. So we have a 45.52 and 46.52. Very nice coincidence. Maybe that's a sign. So yeah, guys, this is how we place our Fibonacci. Despite I have them on our screen, again, it's very important that you have them yourself. So either if you already know how to trade with CFX, then you can just confirm your Fibonacci, or if you do not know how, sorry guys, then you can place them with us. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. Were you able to take the 50? What time frame do you use to place? So it really depends. Like I said, the sell fib right now is on the M15. The buy fib is on the M5. Sometimes I could place fib on the M5, sometimes on the M15, sometimes I could place them on the H1, sometimes I could even place them on the H4, like we saw yesterday with our massive 4800 zone. Well, that was a fast reaction. Beffy! How you doing, Beffy? I have another strategy, but my level are the same as yours. That's good, bro. That's amazing. What is your strategy? I'm curious. And then how do I know when the news ends? Can I see that? Yes. So for the news, guys, Forex Factory, MyFX book, BLS. Okay, so you should use all those three. You should use the three of them, because sometimes, you know, there's one a bit less factual, there's one that have a different news, there's maybe one that will have a different time. Bobo, how you doing? How you doing? So very important, guys. BLS, for the people wondering, Bureau of Labor of Statistics of the United States of America. So it's the most factual. I'm doing amazing. Thanks a lot much. I'm doing amazing, Beffy. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. News positive. Unemployment claims came out positive for the United States, for the USD, which means negative for gold, which means we could see a small retracement. Again, the 22% get rejected. 22% is strong. Is acting very strong today. You whistle a lot. I didn't notice it. I do it. It's almost a tick. Vincent singing, appreciate it. Vincent, yes, they do. Is it nighttime in Bali? Yes. Vincent joined the party screaming so fast. Yes, it is. Presently, it's 8:30. 8:30 p.m. in Bali. Brother, what's good, Jamil? How was the setup today? In front of you, bro. In front of you, you have everything you need for this New York session. You have all the tools you need. You can ask me any question, so you have the setup you need right in front of you, bro. Didn't claim come out to be bearish for USD, not bullish for USD. So we probably saw a reaction. Wow. So yeah, absolutely no reaction from the market, but unemployment claims came out positive for the USD. We wait. Adele, can you just check the teller real quick just to read my message? It's small, please. Give me a second. I have to take my car for service. I will catch you later. All right, see you, Bubble. See you later, Bubble. Habibi, come to Ethiopia, we have everything we need. You need. Nice. What do I need? And what do I need? If it closes bullish and go down to the resistance zone, should I buy, brother? No, you should not. You should wait. You should wait for a conference. Which lot size should I use on the 70? 77 account? So what's $70? $70? Why you said 7,000 cents, bro? Why you say 7,000 cents, bro? It's $70, bro. Did you know in the city? Did you know in city Bali, sir? Yes, I am in Bali. Yeah. Zaka, thank you for the like, man. Have missed out on this trade again. It's fine, bro. It's not the first, it's not the last one. I've missed the trade of this morning. Nada! Guys, it's okay, team. For the people that missed the trade, you guys know me, you guys know us. It's not the first trade, and it's not the last trade that we're gonna smash. What are you going to do now? We wait, bro. We wait. We wait. How many pips do you usually aim for? 400 or 500? Of course, more, but minimum, yeah. Bro, I went to a crazy... How come, Jojo? How come? Do you think he's going to need help getting back at a freak? A freak, and he said April Fool. If it was counting down, we all end. I missed the first trade. Hope I never miss this. Guys, if you miss the first trade, if you miss any trade, no FOMO team. No FOMO, guys. It's about what's FOMO? Fear of missing out. Bro, you froze? FOMO is fear of missing out, guys. When the next giveaway? Good question. Good question. I mean, since I didn't say, we didn't reach, you know, I don't even think we reach. I don't even think. Sorry, we reach 100,000 likes. Every time, guys, we reach 150,000 likes, I give a free 10K, you know? But because I don't say it, I guess people are not really motivated to like, you know? But there could be a giveaway every day, every session even. Adele! Same for YouTube, guys. Same for YouTube, Nadia. We reached that on TikTok. Giveaway for YouTube. Hey, yeah. Do we put our 38? Do we put our 38, guys? Let's put our 38. Because if we want to go higher, that we could bounce back on our 38 level. So let's put a 38 as well. On 46.14. On 46.14. What the hell, you want 100K like for free giveaway? Okay, I continue with it. Jana! No, 150. Because 100 was too easy, honestly. I was giving away 2 accounts every session. But 150, guys. But I said that I'm not gonna say it anymore, you know? If you guys want to reach 150 every session, I'm gonna give a 10K, a free $10,000 account every session. If you guys don't want to, then it's honestly, it's really up to you guys. It's really, really up to you. It's up to you! Give me a second, guys. I'm just updating the private group. Do not buy right now. Of course not, Kim. Of course not. So I'm not the only one that had the idea, huh? Give me a second, YouTube. I'm gonna read the comment. Give me a second.
So I took a favorite carrot diamond earrings and I pawned them away. So she walked in the kitchen full of dishes and she broke every plate. Man, she might be the death of me, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Now she might be my cocaine, she might be my rehab. And I ain't trying to hold it, she gon' make me relapse, yeah. But prison is a place that I hope they got space for two. And I know it's messed up, but I can't get enough of you. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter all the things we do. Prison is a place that I hope they got space for two.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. So next team, stand up. YouTube. The people from TikTok come here also when he does. Oh, really? That's funny. This Bison will be strong enough to hold that field. Maybe. That could be nice. I will love it. Everyone think the same when it comes to these stuff. And then news is a sell. News is a sell. News is a sell. News is a sell. I do not like when you're telling me this, guys. I like when you're telling me news is negative. News is bearish. News is a sell. What does that mean? All right. Does that mean that we sell the news? Come on, team. All right. What does that mean? That means step up. Step up, team. This is what we're doing every day. Ça serait de short, Lana, ça te dérangerait de m'expliquer, je suis pas capable de voir que ça. Ça serait de short, Lana. Je peux pas l'expliquer live, bro, surtout pas en français. Surtout pas en français, ça va me prendre 10 minutes d'expliquer au complet. Mais cette structure-là, je vais faire un breakdown complet, bro, dans mon groupe privé. Je vais faire un breakdown complet dans mon groupe privé. Je fais des breakdowns à chaque semaine. À chaque semaine, je fais des breakdowns de structure super textbook. Fait que ouais. Guys, give me a second. I'm gonna go get some coffee, some more coffee, because right now I think we're on the weekly record Guinness. Today we are up 6 coffee, baby. Up 6 coffee. Now that one is gonna be 7. Give me 1 minute. Oh, 7 coffee, you crazy? What type of coffee do you like the most? I'll be honest. Since I came to Bali, I'm on those double shot Starbucks. Wait, let me show you properly. I'll be honest, I'm on those Starbucks double shot espresso caramel. They're hitting different. I'm gonna be honest, they are hitting different. I know, guys. I gotta boycott Starbucks. I'm sorry, team. I know. But I hate the Nescafe. And that's the only thing they have over here. They have Starbucks or Nescafe. Ah, fuck is that? Sorry, guys. Those are really. I know, team. I know. Every time you drink one of those coffee, you lose a day on your life expectancy. But I know. How do we send like here 150? I don't think you can on YouTube. But big love, Nadia. But I don't think you can on YouTube. You have to TY Greek Nescafe. There's none over here. No, you need to try the good coffee here. I know. I tried it, Ness. I tried it, awesome coffee. But yeah. I'm not gonna, tell you where I'm at, where I'm in Bali, but where I'm in, Like I told you guys, I like to be private. I do not like the type of vibe when you hear your neighbors. You know, there's nobody around me. So of course, the closest grocery store is 5 minutes away. So it's not convenient. I don't even know if there's a coffee shop 5 minutes away. You know, so you know, I just tell my chef to bring me like to Saturday to buy 100 of those little Starbucks double shot. Adele, you know coffee's from Ethiopia, you can't even resist, bro. What's up with Ethiopia? You guys trying to convince me to come in Ethiopia? Yeah, Ethiopia having good coffee. Love you, bro. Thank you. Take profit. There's no take profit yet. How did you manage to adjust the time zone from Dubai to Bali? How did I manage to adjust it? What do you mean by that? Have to wait for the New York market to open? No. You could take a trade right now. Stabilization on the 38. Gotta be patient, of course. Are you sure you get them coffee? No, never. Come to Ethiopia. It's my first time joining and I love the vibe all the way. From where? South Africa? Let's go! Big love to South Africa. Where? Why in South Africa? Stabilization on our price on the 46.14 on the 38%. You took a buy? No, today we only took one sell. Johannesburg, nice. Come to Ethiopia. Yeah. One day I'll come to Ethiopia, I promise. And I'm heading to the ATM to deposit the 300 now. Perfect, Dad. Perfect, bro. You let me know and I support to respond to you, bro. You're already in the private group, man. So you know the process, bro. You know the process. I'm also from South Africa, the capital Pretoria. Nice. Cheers to South Africa, guys. No! News is bearish for gold, yes. The employment claims was negative for gold. Nice rejection, first initial rejection on the level. And then I'm asking because that's equivalent for 10K. Yeah, it is, but you know, it's in the hand of TikTok. It's in the hand of TikTok. I wish that YouTube, there could be some like or something like this, but there's none. Structure on Dixo as well. Let me put a fib. 22%, maybe, yep. Straight on it. Straight on it. That's when you know your fib by heart. You don't even have to put the fib to know the level, you know? Play Maria! You guys want Maria? It's not me that decide if you play Maria. Consolidation on silver. Can I buy now? No, you cannot. But I mean, you can if you want. It's not valid, no. The question is if there's a difference that between can I buy now or is it valid, Adele? Can I buy now? Yes, you can. I'm not your dad. You know. But is it valid? No, it's not. Or waiting for 46.14 to buy? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Hey, you can send a like on YouTube. No way. I'm sending myself like right now. Um, but Adele, when I do my 300, I get 100% subscription. No, bro. So, because you already deposit, when you deposit another 300, it's only on the first deposit, bro. But bro, please, for question like this, just text my support, alright? Deep question like this, TikTok hate that. Bro, I enter on 4608 and I'm on break even. Good, bro. Good. If you break even, that's amazing, man. That means that it's a risk-free trade. What are you guys saying? If we buy at 46.14, why do we place the SL? On the lowest wick. On the lowest wick of the structure, team. This is where. Always. You likes on YouTube, do anything? Nah, Lina, thanks, you're the best. Lina is spamming like on YouTube and on TikTok. But no, they don't do anything. You're the best, Adele. Big love, man. Thank you, bro. Look like want to break the zone or at least come into the zone. Second structure with a nice sweep could be nice. For now, nothing. No solid confluence, guys. Those emojis don't do anything. Yeah. They don't do anything, dude. Thank you, guys. And then on the lowest wick. So every candle have a wick, alright? Every candle have a wick. And it's on the lowest wick that we place the SL. The lowest wick of the structure. Ah. Woo. Is this valid to enter by? No, it's not. Are you in already, Adele? No, I'm not. We just made the lower low, guys. We just made the lower low. You will know. Time for 8 coffee? And I have to test the limit, you know? What's the maximum amount of coffee you can take per day? I heard it was 21. I heard it was 21. Sell, guys. Come on, guys. 22, huh? Yeah, exactly. We saw the same thing, bro. We saw the same thing. Not much. 21, yeah, exactly. 21, I think the guy... no, it just one. Only one? Bearish or bullish? Overall, still bullish. Adele, the lowest wick is 100 pips from entry. Do you put your SL max 50 pips from entry? Then no. If the lowest wick is 100 pips, I will not enter. 21 is a lot. Yeah, I know. I know. Tristan Tate drink heaps of coffee. Tristan Tate. This name is telling me something. That who is Tristan Tate? For execution. And this is why we are patient. Andrew, oh, okay. Yeah. That's why it was telling me something. Yeah, you drink a lot of coffee? Makes sense. With 10 coffee, you become you become an Avenger. Who do you become? You become Spider-Man. At 10 coffee, you become Spider-Man. Or Batman, maybe. Or Hulk. I think you become Hulk. Going to the initial buy zone. Yes, yes, guys. This is why we are patient, team. This is why we're patient. Can I buy now, brother? Bro, can you buy now? Come on, bro. Please, guys. You know, look, when we are in our zone and you guys are impatient, can I buy now? Okay, I understand. But, bro, why would you buy now? Guys, come on. Come on, team. All right? Come on, guys. Step up, team. All right? Step up. I don't mind answering to any question opposite. But, guys, you know, there's again, ask any question, but look, if I'm honest, that's a bit of a retarded question. Can I buy now? Guys, come on. We didn't buy over here, and now that we broke the buy zone, we're gonna buy? Come on, team. Dopamine level too, yeah. Dopamine level too high. Manager coffee, I live in Our press should place SL. We're gonna place our SL on the lowest swing, team. On the lowest swing, guys. Hourly close. One of the reason why we had, not one of the reason, the reason why we had this super bearish reaction. Just broke this 38. We're gonna change it for our 88 lower. About to break it as well. What a drop, yep. This is the most important hourly close, guys. This is the most important hourly close of those 23 hours. Of those 23 hours that the market is open. This hourly close is the most important hourly close of the day. What a job, yeah, crazy job. Do you just put up random numbers? Yes, I put up complete random numbers, and you know, I gamble with my money. So you know, I love the number 4565. It's one of my lucky number. So that's why. Yeah. Complete. You know, when I trace my zone, I'm like this, bro. Random numbers like this and. That look good, that look good. All right, let's buy. What a question. There's some question that honestly, I'm responding to every question, but there's some question that honestly, I don't know if it's a troll. I don't know if you're slow, or I don't know if you never open a chart in your life. I hope that is this option that you never open a chart in your life. Look at this manipulation, guys. Breakout bust, still not. It's a fake breakout. It's not a breakout. It's not a breakout. It's the hourly close, guys. The hourly close slash hourly open. S on the wick on the low candle. Yes, always. Liquidity sweep. What happened to no such thing as a stupid question, only a stupid answer? So when we talking about some retarded question, it's not a question, alright? Like retard, like bro, come on. Ask any question that you want. But you know, guys, come on. You're not 8 years old, you know. There's a difference between a question and a retard question, you know. So come on, guys. Alright? You pissed me off, bro, just by saying that, because you. Let's get you the fuck out of here. Here we go. Ciao, baby. I don't know why you pissed me off. How many fib do you use at once? I use 2 fib, guys. Always 2 fib. Personally, on my, on my second monitor, I have 4 Fibonacci. Okay, so I have 2 buy fib, 2 sell fib. I do not want to confuse you guys. So this is why on the chart, alright, I only put 1 sell fib and 1 buy fib. But personally, I have 2 sell fib and 2 buy fib. Not at all times. Sometimes I have 1 sell fib, 2 buy fib. Sometimes I have 3 buy fib. But most of the time, yeah. I'm using the 15 minutes candle. What time frame are you on? Right now I'm on the M5, bro. I'm on the M5. I use the M15 to do bigger analysis. Show you no, guys, you shouldn't buy right now. We shouldn't buy right now. Can you please give us the settings? I cannot! I wish I could. I wish I could. You know what? Let's do it. Flip settings. I give you 10 seconds to screenshot. I shouldn't do that because I could get banned any second. I give you 5 seconds to. Are you ready? 5 seconds. I will not show them again for the next month. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Screenshot. Come on. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Visibility now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, I got you, team. I got you. No, I will not show them again. No, I will not show them again because TikTok hate that, bro. I do not know, man. Very good question. I do not know. I missed it. If you missed it, guys, just text me on the DLCFX support. Alright, I'm gonna send it to you. But yeah, guys, I hope you took the screenshot. Got it. Let's go. Let's go. Flip settings doesn't matter, it's your experience. Yeah, but it's nice to have nice flip settings. Big love, guys, of course, team. I will not show them again, alright? Because you never know with TikTok. The last time it was fine, but the second time a thing like this, you know, they just close the live, so yeah. Post it in the group. What do you think about order flow strategies? That TGR things. It's some TGR things, guys. Please do not trade with order flow. That's rejection. Can we buy? Should I wait, bro? Buy TP? Guys, patience, team. Patience, guys. Patience, 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 patience. Adele! Please answer, can we buy now? No, we cannot buy now. What did you show, bro? What did I show? I show my flip settings, man. I see TGR strategy. It's not TGR strategy. It's a random strat. But yeah, TGR trade, if you can say trade. No, we cannot buy now, guys. No, we cannot buy now. Can we buy on a tap and go? No, guys. Patient, big problem. Why didn't you take a buy it? You rejected the zone. Because this is gambling, team. Because this is gambling, guys. Is one confluence enough to open a trade? No. One confluence is not enough to open a trade. We have between 7 and 9 confluences that need to be respected before opening a trade. Total, we have between 11 and 14 confluences. If you want to be aggressive, we're going to wait between 5 and 7. If you want to be careful, we're going to wait between 9 and 11. Take a wild guess. How many confluences you think the institution have before opening a trade? Wild guess. Take a wild guess, okay? The wildest guess you can take. How many confluence you think the institution are waiting before opening one trade? 20, 20, 30, 4 or 5, 3, the highest, 30, 10, 12, 12, 7, 12, 23, 12, 15, and 25, 12. Can I sell? No, you cannot. 23, 5, 16, 12, 0, 2, 2, 1. All right, so most of you are way off. So the institution, total of their confluence, they have near 50 confluence that they need to respect before entering a position. All right, 50. They want to be a bit more aggressive, they're gonna aim for this 40. They want to be careful, they're gonna aim for those late 50. And I'm not talking about the approval of the risk manager. That the risk manager gotta have the approval of the control manager. That the control manager need to have the approval of the floor manager. All right? I'm not talking about all those approval and qualification. No. No. I'm talking about institutional trader that is in front of the screen and he's not even gonna ask to enter, he's not even gonna think about entering before filling at least 40 of those 50 confluence, okay? So this is insane. So when we have one fib rejection on one candle, on one level, can we enter, guys? No, we cannot. Sorry, guys. Nope, of course not. Of course not. I missed the visibility settings. At least you got a big one, bro. At least you got a big settings. The percentage settings are the most important. It's back to 90. Can we buy? No, guys, we cannot buy. Cannot buy right now. There's no clear direction. How did you learn trading? Mostly by myself, but I had a mentor for 6 weeks. I think you're the CEO of BlackRock. I'm learning every day. That's the goal, guys. That's the goal. Inbox me for the settings. I'm not gonna text you. Okay, inbox you. Okay. I thought you meant you want me to text you for this. I was like, come on, bro. I like your vibe, big love. Appreciate it, bro. At what time the New York session is starting? New York session is starting in 19 minutes and 25 seconds, guys. Is there still time to buy? Not right now. Not right now. We need a solid structure on our level, guys. You recommend any website with funded account? Xfunded, yes, guys. This is the proud firm that I have a direct affiliation with that pass your challenge for you. What are your confluence? We have 9 to 11 confluence, guys. 7 and 9 to enter. Total 14 confluence. Our main confluence, of course, a fib rejection, sweep, structure, stabilization, no lower low, no higher high. We're looking for bearish / bullish momentum. We're looking for DXY. We're looking for silver. We're looking for the yield. We're using the EMA, SMA. We're using the trend. We're using all those elements that really give us a global picture. All right, we're using the psychological level. I think just now I named 10 conference, 10 to 12 conference just now. So we are using really a panel of confluence that is giving us a global picture of our risk versus reward. And when I mean risk versus reward, I mean the percentage, because it's all about percentage. It's all about probability at the end of the day. Because of course we do not know nothing, right? We cannot predict nothing. What is the psychological level? So psychological level is every $50. There's a psychological level. So let me give you an example. 4,600 is a psychological level. 4,650 is a psychological level. 4,700 is a psychological level. 4,750 is a psychological level. 48, and you I think you understand the concept. Now, why are we looking for psychological level? Because these are high level of institution, high level of interest coming from the institution, coming from the banks, coming from the hedge funds, coming from the wells, coming from the real market movers. Okay, but we need confluence. Bro, I just named like 12 confluence 2 minutes ago. You want me to name? So our main 5. This is what you mean? Fib rejection, sweep, stabilization, structure, and momentum, I would say. These are our 5 main confluence. Are you Dominican, papi? No, I'm not. I'm not. I love Dominican, though. Thanks, bro. Of course, man. We are Kelly Chaz with the confluence. What does that mean, bro? Boom, boom. Are you always trading the 5-minute chart, Broski? So we enter on the 5-minute charts. Our analysis, we do them on the H4, on the H1, and on the M15. On the M5 as well. But the M5 is the... Sorry, team. Is the time frame. Is the time frame that we enter on. Seriously, we need to add Trump as a conference. We do need to add Trump as a conference. I'm impressed with your analysis, and thank you, bro. Thank you. Are you from Algeria? So I'm born in Canada, guys. I'm born in Canada. But yes, my blood is Algerian, yes. DZ! And let's wait the XY to go down. Silver broke out of the consolidation, that's a good sign. Will you see Algeria? Yes, of course. Of course I saw. Of course, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Even if I'm born in Canada, even if I live my whole life in Canada, come on. My blood is Algerian. Of course I saw. By now, no, not now. There's a strategy, supply and demand, no, guys. Day to day, on a day-to-day basis, on a day trading kind of action, supply and demand is not a strategy. The term supply and demand doesn't apply on a day trading kind of mindset. Looks like you mark your fib from a higher time frame. On the M15, do you trade US oil? No. The son of Trump bought million of dollars all the day before Iran. Good for him. Good for him. Is this a good time to buy if I miss the other ticket? It's not a good time to buy, no, guys. Please wait. Please wait, team. Be patient, guys. Patience, team. Alright? Patience. If you cannot be patient right now, step off the market. Close your laptop. Take some breathing exercise. Talk with somebody. Not about trading. Patience, guys. Is it a good time to sell? No. You cannot sell on a bearish impulse, guys. It's not possible. You cannot sell on a bearish impulse. It is a key rule of the Fibonacci. Key rule of the Fibonacci, guys. Then it's a good time to watch. It's an awesome time to watch. Adele, serious question, is ICT still valid in today's market? ICT was never valid in any day market, bro, to respond to the question. What strategy do you use? CFX, team. CFX, guys. Perfect, thanks, bro, of course. That bug is showing where the market will go. Okay, thank you, of course. Time for coffee. Now you look like Iron Man. You guys want to kill me or what? You guys want to kill me. Please reply. What's the strategy used as a day? CFX. CFX. What is CFX? Confluence Fibonacci execution. Why you only trade gold? Because as a day trader, we are not investor. We should put our eggs in the same basket, all right? You should master one pair, one stock, one option, one commodity, one coin if you want. Again, I'm not suggesting to trade coin. You should not trade. It's based on no fundamentals at all. But if this is what you want, at least trade one of them. Patience paid does. What's the reason on YouTube, Nadia? What's the reason for using more than one buy or sell fib? So we use more than one buy or sell fib to have a bit more confidence. So let's say this is my short fib over here, and I put a second short fib, and oh, we have our 38 over here, and we have a 61. Then what does that indicate us? That indicates us that the zone is awesome. It's really gonna happen that we have a 38 and a 61. But maybe you have a 38 and a 71. So that still gives us the indication that the zone is super solid. So this is why it's 2 buy fib, 2 sell fib. Again, I do not want to confuse you because I know some people don't even know what is a fib, which is completely normal. It's not taught enough in the trading community. So this is why I only put one fib, one buy fib, one sell fib, guys. One buy fib, one sell fib, so it will not confuse you. I want to buy patience, Adele. Patience, guys. Patience, team. What you want to do doesn't matter, okay? What you want to do doesn't matter, okay? You gotta understand that. What you want to do, it doesn't matter. Nobody give a F about what you want to do. And you know what? The market doesn't care about what you do. Or you know what? The market care about what you do to take you out. All right? So what you want to do right now is never, your first intention, especially as a beginner. Same for me when I first start trading. Your first intention is never the right one. So knowing, this is big knowledge that I'm giving you right now. Again, your first intention as a retail, as a beginner, same for me. When I say your first intention, before I got profitable, it was the same for me. Your first intention is never the right one. So when you think about buying right now, trying to see the reverse, trying to see the bigger picture. Because maybe you're looking like this, you know, but if you're trying to look like this, you're gonna see way more different things. How about Nasdaq? 9 minutes, yes, New York open at 8 minutes 50 seconds. How about Nasdaq? If I trade Nasdaq, no. Like I said, I only trade gold. Prior to that, okay, in my first 2 years of trading, the only other thing I was trading was Dow Jones, was US 30. Otherwise, I wasn't trading nothing else. I was trading US 30 in my first 2 years and Xauusd. After 2 years of trading, I decided to focus on gold exclusively. This is me, Basil. Nice, bro. Nice, man. But when I start trading, I take a lot of position in a day, but now 1 or 2 good trade in a week. That's amazing, Zaka. Bro, this is amazing. This is the biggest compliment I could have. Go crazy. About to make a lower low, guys. About to make a lower low. What platform you see, trader? How should the reaction look? Right now, it's probably gonna break the lower low. Even if it doesn't, I mean, we would need to have a perfect structure to take this buy. Otherwise, we're just gonna wait for New York open in 5 minutes and potentially take our buys on 45.65. What do you think of trendline? Trendline good on the high time frame. You will never see me putting a trendline on gold on the M5. Minimum the M15, H1, H4. MA, SMA, and EMA, what are the range? So I'm using EMA, exponential, and the SMA, simple. Moving average, both are under 200. Shouldn't we took only sell for today? No. Especially not before New York open. You see trader, I do, yes. Then when you take a trade, do you open more than one contract? No. I open one position. Do not open multiple position. Or waiting for more? What do you mean for more? Adele! Bro, just wait. Thank you, M28. 716, stand up! Are you making me work, huh? Jago, you making me work, bro. New York open in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Give me a second, team. $100K like, let's go! Let's go, team. So only 50,000 more like, $10,000 giveaway, guys. 50,000 more like. You guys are on fire, huh? New York didn't even open. New York didn't even open. And again, guys, I'm not gonna say it every live, but every live, 150,000 likes, $10,000 account giveaway automatic. The sound of the sea stunning. It is, Shoda. Can you hear it? I was wondering, bro. You can hear the sound of the sea? Really? You can even hear it with the music? Yeah, it's awesome. Personally, I think it's the most peaceful sound. The waves are crazy. Yeah, they are a decent wave, 1 meter. And my room is, you don't see it, guys, but my room is like directly over here. And like I have the sea view, like the beach view right away. And you know, at night I like to sleep with the door open. I hear the honestly, it's just an amazing feeling. Love the sea dream to be living this. Yes, yeah. It's awesome. It's awesome, honestly. That's good for me to sleep for. Miss! Yes, yes, big, really, really peaceful. Super peaceful. And now, no, I'm not in. I'm not in. Is this a... No, it's not. No, it is not. Who's Dano? Adele, do you know who back in the... Let's go, John! And you never left, bro. You never left. But good to have you, man. And please tell your brother, you know, even give him a little, you know, a little behind the head so he understand that not do this again. And please just put a password on your laptop or something like that. I'm still in the cell from 47. Let's go, Born. What a trade, bro. What a trade, man. And that's a valid buy. No, it's not. Just made it lower low, guys. We broke our zone. We have the New York Open in 42nd. Are you gonna buy before the New York Open? I didn't. I didn't say beat him up. I just say, a little something. So I understand to not do it again. Again. Criminal compartment. Criminal action. That's weird. That's weird. You guys gotta spam those likes right now. Just receive a warning. I'm shadow banned and I'm always shadow banned, but like just receive a warning from TikTok saying I'm a violent person. So be careful what you're writing in the chat, guys. Yeah, be careful what you're writing in the chat, guys. Zaza! How do you always get shadow banned, brother? Because it's trading, bro. Because it's trading, Because we talk about the brother. I know, guys, stop saying this word. You're not helping. Adelito! To tell you. Hold on. New York just opened, guys. New York just opened. That's why still bearish. Get some rejection on the 22%. Let's go, guys. New York just opened. Time to shine now. Hopefully the market will give us something. Hopefully the market will give us something to eat. Second cash out of the day. Second cash out of the day. Sell, no. No. And then I see double bottom on chart. Double bottom? Oh, on which time frame, bro? Not on the M5. On the M5? Crying emoji mean emotional abuse, so stop. Damn, I didn't know that. That's good to know. Yes, M5. Double bottom? No, that's a small double top. Over here. Over here, I would not even call that a real double top, considering it's super choppy. M3. Okay, M3. Okay, no, I do not check at the M3 time frame. We never go under the M5. I run on 47 and 90 shot kills it, brother. I guess too short. Depends, bro. What's your trading plan? What's your trading plan? How do you draw the fib and on what time frame? Bullish, bearish, both. One sell fib, one buy fib. One sell fib, one buy fib, guys. Time frame M15 and M5. Have you bat, sir? Where? Did I bat over here? No, guys, I did not bat over here. Okay. To buy right now, what we need to see is a retest of our price, is a perfect structure, is a small sweep to the downside, then we're gonna buy. But without structure, there is no buy. Jago! Understand, sir. Thank you, of course. You can get some. On which time frame did you put the sell fib and which one the buy? Which time frame did I put the buy fib? I put it on M5. The buy Fibonacci is this one. So this is our buy Fibonacci over here, and this is our sell Fibonacci over here. So these are the sell level, and these are the buy level over here. Yeah, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go get some water. Do you need more negative value on the fib? No. Negative value are only used to determine if the fib is still valid or not. Nothing else. Nothing else. What do we do, bro? Please explain perfect structure in the zone and the buy zone. Perfect structure is a structure without lower, 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 high. Structure without lower, lower, higher, high, depending of if we're looking for buy or if we're looking for short. A perfect structure is a stabilization of our price. Just know, guys, then starting for the people in the private group, starting from Sammy, how you doing, man? I'm doing amazing, bro. Starting from this week, there will be one trade, one complete trade breakdown. Okay, we're talking between 15 and 30 minutes of a trade that either we took on live, either we did not took on live, so you could really see my mindset behind every trade. Okay, so I think this is important. So you can really understand how I'm thinking, why I'm doing this, why I'm not taking this trade, why I took this trade. I think that's a good idea. Very nice, but yes. So starting from this week, guys, so this week basically Sunday, every Sunday, guys, That is so useful. It is super useful, and I really think it's gonna help a lot of people. So starting from this Sunday, I just wanted to tell you this. In the private group, you guys gonna have one complete. It depends if it was a very textbook trade or it was a bit of a more tricky trade. Okay, a really complete. If the trade breakdown take 45 minutes, it's gonna take 45 minutes. Okay. I do not know how long it's gonna take because when I start talking, I really trying to explain really well. But yeah, guys, every week for the people's writing, of course, Weasel, of course, bro. Every week, one trade breakdown, guys. So really, you can understand my mindset behind every trade. Where to buy? We are in our buy zone right now, but it's not about where to buy because you guys know where, but it's about when to buy. Exactly what is needed because sometimes it is yes, exactly. So you know, after a couple of weeks, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, you know, I'm gonna pin them and we're gonna have a couple of trade breakdown so you can really understand deeper, better. Your eyes are way too good. You want to play married for now? Dina, what are you talking about? Excited for that. Thanks for taking the time to do that. Of course, Ruben. Of course, man. Of course, guys. Like I said, there's a reason why I do not open much spot in the private group. Okay, I could open 100 spot every week, but is this what I want? No, I'm not. I'm same with my trading. I'm not in the quantity. I still want to take the time to respond to personally, because I respond personally to the private group. I still want to take the time to. The private group is my priority, of course. My trading and the private group is my priority. So. She said she saw you switch the ring to the married. No, the ring is always on this, but sometimes I switch it, you know? I switch it. So the ring is always on this finger, but sometimes I switch it to the married. Now I'm married, I'm not married. Married, I'm not married. How to join the group? How to join the group? It's not about how, bro. It's about when can you join the group. How to join the group? It's free, bro. It's free. You deposit with a broker. Pretty much it. It's not really about how, you know. Nice again, nice rejection. But it's really about when, bro. Because again, guys, and I should delete the text because people still texting me. Where she is, she got a message. Well, there's no message, guys. There's no message behind the ring. I just do it intentionally, alright? I just do it, you know. Sometimes I switch. I told you yesterday. This buy zone is broke. It's not broke, no. This buy zone is still getting resisted, but still. You guys know that the weaker, the most a zone is tested, the weaker it gets. Can you marry me? I'm not looking for marriage right now, guys. Just coming in, can we take it? No, we cannot. Adopt me? How old are you, bro? Let the brother ask me. I keep my eyes focused. Cash out Thursday! Live your life to the fullest, guys. Then yeah. What do you mean by good structure? I mean a solid stabilization in the price. You still need more money before marriage. No. It's not about money, bro. I can marry 50 women if I want. I'm joking. But no, it's not about money. Play Maria! I cannot play Maria, guys. Because Maria, there's a special time for it, alright? There's a special time for it. You know, if you always play Maria, then Maria will not have any sense, okay? Maria will not have any meaning. We love Maria because there's a meaning to it. When we play Maria, it's a special moment, you know? There's something special happening. We winning money, we get some money. Maria will get tired. Would you marry a guy? Come on, guys, that's super sus. That's super, I got nothing, you know. But no, I'm not married guy. Of course, guys. Come on, I'm not gay. Come on, guys. Don't ask those type of questions. What's your win rate? The win rate doesn't matter, but everybody want to know the win rate. Last month we lost 2 trade, bro. Win rate 89%, if I'm not mistaken. You make bro copy trading possible. Connect. No, I do not do that. No, for people to connect to my account, bro, it's not. There's not money. There's not enough money in the world for me to do copy trading with my personal account. I'm begging to think Maria will be your wedding dance song. Maria, Maria. Super slow price right now. Not doing anything. Good close. At least we close outside of the zone. Do you think he broke the buy zone? No. You don't trade. You don't trade with. Of course, I traded with personal account. No. The question was, Adele, do you do copy trading? Can we link our account with your account? I said there's not enough money in the world for me to do copy trading with my account. 150. Let's go. 150k like, guys. 150k like. $10,000. You got 10 seconds to spam the chat. I'm giving a free $10,000 account to somebody. You got 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Come on. Spam the chat. Spam this chat, guys. $10,000 account giveaway right now. You got 10 seconds, team. $10,000 account giveaway right now, guys. $10,000 account giveaway because of the 150k like, team. All the time to keep you off my mind. Oh. 5 seconds, guys. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, team. Ready, guys? $10,000 account. Funded account. $10,000 fully funded account, guys. Ready? Omar left. Just one, bro. Just one, broski. Omar left. Congratulations, man. Text me on Telegram, bro. $10,000 fully funded. Love you, bro. Big love, man. Big love, guys. Congrats, Omar. Big love, bro. Please give me a text, otherwise I will forget you. Okay. Let me give you a follow on TikTok quick. Here we go. I just gave you a follow on TikTok, bro. Just gave you a follow on TikTok. So just give me a text on TikTok, please, bro. And then we'll switch on a Telegram. Omar, congratulations. For the others, again, guys, I'm not gonna say it every time. But every session that we hit 150,000 likes, at least this week, okay, I give a 10k account. So it's up to you, guys. It's up to you. Congrats 1,000 times. Big love. Okay, I will text you, Tele. Perfect, bro. Yes, text me, Tele. It's even better, please. Because you know what is happening now? When I give a funded account, I receive 10 texts. Hey, it's me, Omar. Hey, it's me, Omar. Hey, it's me, I won the giveaway. Come on, guys. Alright. So Omar, please send me an account, send me a screenshot of your account. Alright, send me a screenshot of your account, bro. Just so I can make sure it's really you. Okay, bro. And congratulations, your funded account will be ready either tomorrow or Monday, bro. They should, yes, exactly, miss. Exactly. Okay, bro, of course. And while we were giving this funded account, we have gold that is breaking out, aiming towards our sell zone on 46, guys. And then when you come to CC, I prepare for you a CC. Let's go! Let's go, show that. I'll come this summer, I told you, bro. I told you, man. We missed this, boss. We didn't miss nothing, bro. We didn't miss nothing, okay? If you keep telling yourself that you missed this, then that's called FOMO. And what is FOMO? Fear of missing out, guys. We're in now. No, we're not. No, we're not. Now we could potentially, sorry, to look for an entry on 46 if we're able to reach that zone. Otherwise, gotta wait for a retest or gotta wait for a break of our zone. Up from 45.89 FVG. Do not trade with FVG. What the hell? That's a strong push. It is, yeah. It is. What is going on? Impulsive market. Buy or sell, Adele. Nothing right now. We waiting, guys. We wait for our zone. Then wanna move yet? Check the buy. Will the market be open on Monday? I think they will. The wall. I don't, brother. Can you verify if the market will be open on Monday and tomorrow? Thank you. Yeah, for Easter. Yeah. Can you verify this? Now I'm wondering if it's a bank holiday or the market will be closed. We're still selling. Is he camera shy? Who? Who camera shy? What is happening? Nothing, guys.
Yes, it's a bank holiday.
Yeah? Bank holiday?
Yeah.
Friday and Monday?
Alright. Friday, yeah. Friday and Easter Monday.
Friday and Monday?
Yeah, Friday.
Yeah. We missed the trade. That voice over? That voice over? What do you mean? It is open for USD. It is open for USD. I mean, it's bank holiday, guys. Just had the confirmation that it's a bank holiday. Then was a nice trade, bro. It was not, no. There's a difference between a valid loss and an invalid win. Miss, who are you talking about? What you mean voice over? No, it's not. No, it's not a bank holiday?
In the UK it is,
In the US it's not?
Yeah, in the US it's not. Yeah, in the US it's not.
I was about to tell you, Huey, you're going 1v1 with my system engineer.
Yeah, the US is not.
The US is not. It's a bank holiday for Germany, yeah.
For the Euro, it's the US.
For Europe.
Yeah, in the UK.
I use stream on H1 and H4, yes. Show the guy behind. No, guys. So he's my background guys. He's the. I would be here, but I wouldn't, grow as much without him. He's my system engineer. One of the most solid in the game. Graduate from Harvard. He got more than a decade of experience. That's when I was, what?
Harvard Business School.
Harvard Business School. Can you beat that? I don't think so. Terrible to trade if it's a bank holiday? Yes. You gotta surround yourself by the best, guys. You gotta surround yourself by the best. Otherwise, how do you expect to be the best? Same with our strat, guys. We trade the same way as the bank. Why? Because they are the winner. Simple. Some of you in the comment are mean and why? What? No. Terrible to trade if it's a bank holiday. There's no one mean. Facts here. Sell. There's no sell right now. We're entering our sell zone. There's no sell right now. So yeah, to respond to your question, guys, yes, the market will be open tomorrow. And yes, I will be live tomorrow. I'm full porting NFP to... Here we! You full porting? Like if you full porting, we're gonna full port with you, Huey. Initial rejection on our 4646. When is bank holiday? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, but not in the States, in Europe, guys. In Europe. Are you in the sell? Guys, am I in the sell right now? Come on, team. I'm not in the sell, no. We did not even make a structure on our zone, no stabilization yet. Small rejection, if we can call that a rejection. So should we sell on 4646? We're looking for sell on 4646, yeah. Cannot sell right now. Patience is key, is. I missed the buy. You guys did not miss nothing. You did not miss absolutely nothing. There's a big difference between a valid loss and an invalid buy. You did not miss absolutely nothing, guys. That was completely invalid, team. Completely invalid, team. There's no shame in you are showing the edge of time. Always. I'm telling you the thing how it is. If I would make good structure now under the zone, then we don't take it. That's a good question. That's a good question. It depends of the week, it depends of the manipulation, it depends of our conference, it depends how good the structure is, it depends of the previous history of the level, it depends of the XY, it depends of silver, it depends of a lot of things. But yes, if all the conference are there, it's a solid structure, we'll take it. No, it's not valid to sell right now, no. We're looking for a sell, but it's not valid to sell right now. Silver is still pushing, and look at the yield. Are you gonna sell when the yield are looking like this? This is the M15, not the M5, not the H1. This is the M15, guys. Why was not, I mean, you have your response, bro. Not in the zone, still super bullish. Look at the yield, look at silver, super bullish as well. And DXY just made a new low. Why use the yield and silver to trade? We do not use them to trade, we use them as conference. Because the yield and DXY have a direct inverse correlation with gold. And silver have the same correlation with gold. Silver is not a conference. Honestly, when I'm telling you something and you're telling me no, I do not know what to tell you. You think I'm gonna argument with you and tell you, yes, silver is a conference. No. If you think silver is not a conference, then don't fucking use silver, bro. I mean, it's super funny to me when I'm telling you something and there's somebody that, you know, aiming straight into our sell zone. It's looking good, guys. It is looking good. Are we gonna break our sell zone? Maybe. Maybe. Lena! Thank you for the like, Lena. That's a strong move. It is a strong move. It is a strong move. Very strong move. Super strong move. 16, stand up! Shall we wait a little longer? Of course, guys. Of course. You mean for the sell? Yes. Not a little longer. We need to wait for at least 3 auto candle. Minimum. At least 3 auto candle, guys. I'm also experiencing the same. A lot of them are following me. I blog them. Amazing, guys. Yes, team, I know. There's a little fake account. A lot of fake account. Do I get funded the deal after joining you? Patrick, what do you mean, bro? Sell now. No, we cannot sell now. No. No, we cannot sell now. Sell. Hey, look, if you want to sell. If you want to sell, even full point this. Can you teach us your strategy? I do teach my strategy. I teach my strategy every day on live. I teach my strategy every day on the private group. I teach my strategy every day on the one-on-one. I have a blueprint. I teach my strategy every day. Should I sell now and move the market? Yeah, bro. If you're able to move the market, sell now, bro, and we'll follow you. Buy it. No. Okay, selling right now. Amazing, bro. When do you choose a strategy so I can join you? Really amazing. Bro, I mean, you mean on live? I'm teaching the strategy every day, guys. Literally every day I'm teaching the strat. Again, it could be on live, it could be in the private group, it could be on the one-on-one, it could be with the blueprint. I mean, every day I'm teaching the strategy. Did you name from Xauusd Vic? Who is Xauusd Vic, bro? Can we sell now? No, we cannot, guys. No, we cannot. Where are you now, bro? I'm in Bali. Can you explain why it's risky to sell now? Because we have no confluence. The only confluence we have is our fib rejection. That's it, team. Good rejection, yes. Good rejection. Not a good reaction, though. Why are you making noise? Why am I making noise? Noise? You mean my pencil? Is what you mean? Why it say like substance consumption? I'm not even. Anyway. When do you return to Dubai? Are you ready for summer? How are you waking at this time in Bali? It's only 10 p.m., bro. It's only 10 p.m. They mean the coffee, bro? I mean, it's been at least 15 minutes since I didn't drink the coffee. CFX is Confluence Fibonacci Execution. CFX is Confluence Fibonacci Execution. TikTok, oh, maybe, huh? But no TikTok, it's a pencil with Alcantara. So you guys remember this pencil? But this is like an upgrade pencil, right? This is, you know, like Alcantara, like there's like relief, you know? Are you in? Am I in what, bro? Am I in what? Warning Adele, yes, I know. Let's spam the like, guys. Let's spam the like. I see, thank you for the like, man. Appreciate you, bro. I don't think haters. We do not have no haters. Just probably because TikTok thought I was cigarettes or something like that. I don't get a feeling that journey life, the life could be dangerous for your health. Maybe because we're drinking too much coffee, that's why. Maybe because we're drinking too much coffee over here. And we buy above. Where do we buy it? On our buy zone, guys. On our buy zone team. Which age do you start trading? 17. 17 years old. What makes you start trading? Couple of reasons, bro. Couple of reasons that made me start trading. Summer in Dubai is crazy. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna spend summer in Dubai, of course. I just gotta renew my residency, so I gotta go like a week and a half, something like that. On sale, how do you MTP? With reversal zone, guys. Reversal zone are RTP. And then, sis, it's me, the IC account. Julia! What do you mean? Oh, maybe my support respond and say, bro, that's why? That's why? Maybe that's why, Julia? Because I know, of course I know you, sis. Of course. When to sell. Not right now. Gotta wait for at least 2 other candles to sell. Bullish momentum is still super strong. No sell. Bullish momentum is still way too strong. DXY still doing lower low. Look at the yield, guys. Look at the yield. Can we sell when we see the yield like this? No. How about silver? And silver is still doing higher high. Not possible to sell right now. Now you just hit with the with the likes on T. What is TT? The like on TT? What is TT? TT's TikTok. Yes, true. I think you already told me that. TikTok, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, TikTok. Sorry, guys. I'm not updated on the term. I only take you to be profitable. Took me 7 months and a half to be profitable. Took me 7 months and a half to be profitable. Do follow multiple to establish or follow multiple what? Glad you understand the market. Yeah, look, hey, I do not understand all those terms, all those social media terms, but look, I understand the market, so you choose it. You want me to understand the market or you want me to understand those social media terms, huh? I can do both. Yeah. Adele, you ever thinking of posting your YouTube video? Yes, guys, I'm starting to post on YouTube. Guys, I've been on YouTube for a week now. I've been on YouTube for 5 days. Been on YouTube for what? Not 5 days, like a week. Been on YouTube for a week, so yeah, of course, YouTube video coming. Did you blue account? No, I did not. But it's normal to blue account when you start, but no, I did not. Had a live account. I did not have no funded account. Put $1,000 in it. Never lost that $1,000. I lost a couple of $100, but yeah. You getting relation? Yes, I do. I do. Drop your handle so I can follow you on YouTube. Adele CFX team on YouTube. Adele CFX, guys. Is that a sell potentially? That doesn't look like a sell though, but potentially a sell, yeah. Just did a higher high. You doing? No, not yet. We didn't broke it yet, but we're about to break it. About to break it. Didn't do a higher high yet. We went to 51.34, and the higher high was 51.54. Pushing higher though. So no trade tomorrow, bro. Bank holiday. No, maybe trade tomorrow, guys. Maybe trade tomorrow. Bank holiday is only in Europe, not in the States. Adele, why we got the warning? TikTok, bro. TikTok, man. Adele, when we talk profitable, what do you call profitable? I call making money on. So from that point, you're not losing money anymore, and you're able to make consistent money from that point. So I make my first money after 6 months. And after 7 months and a half, from this point, 7 months and a half, I never had a red month, a red week ever. So yeah, this is how you calculate profitability. You're not gonna be able to know when you are profitable on the dot, but after a couple of months, you're gonna be able to see, okay, so I start getting profitable from this time. I'm in Europe, so that means I can't trade tomorrow. No, you can trade tomorrow if you want. You just cannot trade, Euro USD or Euro BTC or XIU, or anything Euro related. Or anything Euro related. But if you want to trade XIUSD, it's not because you're in Europe that that you cannot trade. They're trying to push higher right now. Did not break it yet, but trying to push higher. Getting rejected on the EMA. Getting rejected on our EMA, as you can see. Having trouble pushing higher, but at the same time, the bullish momentum is super strong. What other factor you consider before you place a trade? A lot of factor, bro. A lot of factor. When are we talking about factor and not confidence, bro? A lot of factor. I have between 11 and 14 confluence, and confluence are not called factor. So if we add the factor are all about fundamentals, are all about market experience, are all about pattern, are all about backtesting. So if we add factor to our confluence, bro, we're talking about 25 total, 25 to 30 factor. Consolidation, again, we need a liquidity sweep now, right? We're doing a liquidity sweep, but the problem is that if we have a sweep, the chances that we break the level and that we go on 47.08 on our 61 are very high, all right? We could have a sweep, maybe bad close, by the way, that's a bad close. Thank you for the profit. Thanks to you, bro, thanks to you. On which trade you took the profit? On the trade this morning you took? Trade this morning you're talking about? We got silver that just did a higher high. The Xauusd that is still trying to push lower, just did a lower low. And the yield are still dropping. Are we gonna take a risky trade like this, risk our capital on a very bad opportunity? Of course not. Of course not. No FOMO. No FOMO, team. Hey guys. Sell, guys, I just showed you. I just showed you that silver did a higher high, that the Xauusd did a lower low, and that the yield are still dropping right now. So we are looking for sell, but are we gonna sell right now? No, we're not gonna sell right now. Are we waiting for sweep? Yes. Also, we're also waiting for sweep. So waiting for a couple of confluence because there's too much confidence. There's too much confidence against us right now. Bullish momentum is way too strong to actually take a sell at the moment. Right? We just did a higher high. This is why we're not taking a sell, guys. This is why I'm telling you to be patient. Just broke the EMA. Again, we had the Xauusd that did lower low. The yield that are dropping massively. Okay, and silver that did a higher high. I'm telling you this for. And look at this. Look at this, guys. Patience pay, patience pay, patience pay again, team. But that was pretty clear. I hope nobody took a sell. What is a sweep? A sweep is a break of our level, is a break of our Fibonacci. Then we can witness a close below, all right? A close either really near the open or a close below the fib. So what you are seeing right now, this could be a sweep. This could be a potential sweep, which is very, very nice. What is a sweep? Is a way of taking liquidity, is a way of taking energy in simplified term, is a way of taking the stop loss, is a way of taking money from other people and put them in our pocket. After the sweep, we can enter boss, not right after the sweep, no. Gotta wait for another candle, gotta wait for this close. Why? Because how can we know if it's a sweep without waiting for the close? The answer is that we cannot know, okay? So we gotta wait for the close. Maybe it's not a sweep, maybe it's just, again, like I told you, like I keep telling you guys, a super, super, super bullish momentum, and we're just gonna break our EMA, we're gonna break our SMA, and we're gonna reach our 47.08. And then the yield is dropping, what can we expect from gold? And same if it's going up, opposite correlation. Good question, opposite correlation. Yield are dropping, then we gotta expect gold to go higher and opposite, all right? So if the yield are going up, then we gotta expect gold to go down. If it's not the case, then we're having some market manipulation. If we're witnessing some market manipulation, then 90% of the manipulation is coming from gold most of the time. So if we know that 90% of the manipulation is coming from gold, what does that mean? That means there's something fishy. That means there's how can I say it? A hiding intention. That means that what you see is not what it is. What happened on 27%? So minus 27%, please don't really focus on this level. This minus 27% is only here, all right, to tell us if the fib is still valid on certain specific scenario. You don't trade during manipulation. Gold is the most manipulated asset, is the most manipulated safe haven. Gold is manipulated on a constant basis. Of course, I trade during manipulation. There's a difference between low manipulation, medium manipulation, and high manipulation. So no, why would we trade when gold is highly manipulated? But if you don't trade when gold is manipulated, you're never gonna trade, you know? Close long. I wouldn't close long right now. There's no indication. Maybe that's not a sweep. Closing in 35 seconds. If we close red, that's gonna be a pretty good indication, guys. But I learn more from you for 6 months from other. Big love, no? That's the goal, guys. That's the goal. The goal over here is to make money. But of course, what is money when you're not able to make the money by yourself? It's nothing. The goal is to make money today, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year, the next decade, till you die. The goal is for you to never have to work a day in your life again and to live from trading. If we close red, that will be very interesting. Wow, we're gonna close red. Wow. All right, guys, we closed red. Now it's starting to be interesting. Manipulation is high though, but now we could potentially do something. Now we could start to look at this trade. Let me update the private group. No, guys, I already see the question. Are you in? Are you in? Are you in? No, I'm not in. Gotta wait for at least another candle. I would even probably wait for 2 other candles. Alright? Because it's not because it's a red close that we should enter. Of course not. But I'm just saying that now the trade became way more interesting than it was if it would have closed green. About to break the new high. There you go. Here we go. Super manipulation. Wow. Super manipulation. Super manipulation. Alright, there's probably a lot of people that enter on this candle. They see that the candle closed red, so they spam sold and they got absolutely SL. They got absolutely smashed. GG, guys. GG for the people, retail trader introduced, yes, exactly, guys. GG for the people that did not enter this trade. Still not out of the breakout, still not out of the zone. Global manipulation. Exactly what I just said to the private group. I basically said that if we're not able to close red or if we do get a higher high, then we'll just have to wait for the higher up, for the 61%, for the 4708. Otherwise, there's no really point of entering anything right now. You trade? No, guys. Why this question is coming? I mean, I'm not. I'm just surprised. This question didn't came for a long time, and now for the last week, what is happening? Is there a trader online that is blowing up because of supply and demand or something like that? But no, guys. Supply and demand is not a day trading term. Supply and demand is not a day trading term. Supply and demand is used on macros. All right, it's used on bigger macros type of fundamentals. The private group free, yes it is. What pair is that? Théo avec la ouais, c'est ça les bas. Ah ben. Why you don't use the fib 50? Because it's the favorite fib of the retail. Fib 50 is the favorite fib of the retail trader. The banks love the fib 50 because a lot of liquidity over there. Look at the yield, guys. Look at the yield. I mean, I don't even have to say nothing about it. You take any trade today? Yes, we took the sell this morning on London session. They are requested to tell. Amazing, guys. Amazing. I accept every one of you, team. I accept every one of you, team. How to join the tele, guys? It's super simple. Super simple, guys. Link in the bio, team. Link in the bio. Let me get out of my... Here we go. Link in the bio, team. Then after you gotta follow the instructions. Super simple. 3 little dot and open with the browser, guys. 3 little dot and open with the browser, guys. Then you're gonna be in the big group. I'll accept every one of you, team. What area you sold, sir? This morning, what area we sold, guys? I think we sold at... I want to give you the exact range. We sold at 42. Yeah, 42. 46, 42. If you come IVG, no. Do not trade with IVG. IVG again. I think it might hold at 27%. At 27%? I don't think so, bro. Minus 27 is not a solid fib. It is far from a solid fib, especially the 550. Or you put the bars on there, because it's on a 61 and 88. Now those are not valid anymore, because you can see that our fib got broken, our 0% got officially broken. Do you sell? Do I sell from the account? What do you mean? Yeah, we can buy it from the account, and I can pass the challenge for you. IVG is better than fib. Is it an affirmation or is it a question? Because if it's a question, no. And if it's an affirmation, no. Don't sell yet. No, I don't know who would sell right now. I mean, can buy... Yes, of course, bro. Of course, man. Of course you can. Can I buy? No, you cannot buy. Sometimes I respond to a sell question, and after they're like, okay, so if I cannot sell, can I buy? No, you cannot. Can you pass a 200K from FTMO? I do not have an affiliation with FTMO. So no. Why? Because I have an IP tracker and I'm not authorized to do this. And if guys, text me on the Dell CFX support team. Text me on the Dell CFX support, and if you can just it probably lasts like 15 minutes. What broker to use? I do not talk about my broker, guys, in detail. Why? Because TikTok hate that. Alright, TikTok hate that. Guys, you want to know about my broker? You want to know about the funded account? I pass your funded account for you. If you want the best broker in the game as well, integrate the private. It's one of the free way to integrate the private group. You can just text me, guys. On the Dell CFX support, you gotta be in the big tele, of course. Breaker block and order block on Philip 61 is the best reversal zone. Oui! You trade with an OB? I didn't know that. You trade IC2 or something else? No, guys. We do not trade IC2, we trade CFX. Confluence Fibonacci execution. Telegram asks, yes, guys, I will accept you, team. I will accept every one of you, team. Yes, you can, bro. Yes, you can.
Dessus des vieux vins, glisse tes ailes sous le tapis du vent.
Voyage, voyage.
'Éternellement. 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 'Éternellement
guys, there
Je
was
sais pas, je comprends rêver. Devant l'Espagne, après l'Équateur.
voyage, voyage.
Vol dans les hauteurs. Au-dessus des caps.
Bro, IMG is better than try. It's not about trying, bro. It's look. The bank does not trade with IVG.
Océan.
The hedge fund does not trade with that. The wealth does not trade with that. The market mover does not trade with that. Why would you trade? Why would you trade with that? It's a question, bro. It's a question. I want to buy a fund that's just still saving money, inshallah. Inshallah, man. You will. You will, Pips. You will, bro. Voyage, voyage. Important level 61, 38, and 88. Because I have been profiled with, it's like, I have been profiled with for 2 months. Okay? And the bank been using the Fibonacci for 300 years. So you let me know how much money you made and how long you used it. Yeah, and the bank been using it for 300 years, 30 decades. Once Wall Street opened, 1792 in New York. 30 decades they've been using the bank, so you let me know, bro. I mean, you know, you decide for you what you want to use. You can use FVG, you can use ICT, you can use anything, bro. Really, you can use anything. But I'm just saying, I mean, look.
Voyage,
Where should we place our profit? The sell now. Both is good, but I just mean that for me, IVG. Bro, I'm super straight. You know, I'm always super straight. I'm never gonna go towards many world, and I'm like this in my personal life as well. All right. No, bro. Okay. And look, if it worked for you, I'm super happy for you, bro. If you made money from it, I'm super happy for you. All right. Props to you, bro. Really. Okay. But I'm telling you that it's not gonna last, okay? And I'm not telling you this to put you down, bro. I've been near 5 years in the business, over 4 years, all right? Over 4 years. And the trader that been out the fastest are the scalpers and the people that only use the IFVG or the FVG, bro. It's not constant. It's not, you're not able to really build a discipline, constants with this type of strat. I don't get people coming in live and explain how to trade. What goes up must go. Yes. What do you think for retest on the zone full buy? Retest on the zone full buy. Let me change our zone because this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. So our new zone are the 38, of course. This is not a sell zone got broken. Sell zone got broken. Now our new zone is on our new fib, of course. The only one that's staying the same is our 4708 because it didn't get broken. '61 is very solid. Straight on 4600. Sell now or worth more. You will sell on what, guys? What you will sell on? On which Fibonacci? The 0% and the 50% is not a valid fib. Does the buy zone go where the break of structure comes in? No, the buy zone goes on the level with the most confidence on our main level, bro. So of course now we have to change our Fibonacci because we just broke the higher high, we just broke the highest impulse. How can I see the yield? How can you see it? Do you want me to just show it to you? You mean like, what is the symbol? Or it's the US government 10. US government 10. No, I never traded IFVG. I only traded with order flow plus. Of course, only IFVG is like 30%. At least, bro, at least. But even order flow. But look, bro, look. I'm not here to debate about. Like, I'm telling you what's the best. If you want to keep doing your thing, good for you, bro. If it works, good for you. I need to start some classes. Eco Pro, some class about what? Where we'll accept. Yes, guys, I will accept every one of you on tele. I'm gonna accept every one of you on tele right before the next trade or after the live, guys. Super simple. Link in the bio, team. Link in the bio, guys. Then after that, you just gotta follow the step, which are super easy team. You even get a little arrow over here, 3 little dot team, and open with the browser. You will be in the big tele, guys, and I accept every one of you. I want to follow your setup. Amazing, bro. Please answer. Yes, all right. I do not answer on live. How do I see that yield pair? Yield is not a pair. Yield is not a pair. It's the interest rate of the United States government, the debt that they have. The yield is U.S. government's bonds. U.S. government bonds, 10 YR. Sell now? No. No, guys. We do not sell now. We gotta wait for our level, which is 4708 to get triggered. Thank you for the stream and inform. Of course, Samantha. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. What makes the fib not valid? Because this is a 0%. The 0% is based on the highest impulse, so we just trace it. The 50% is the favorite fib of the retail. Alright? The 50% is one of the only fib that will not trade no matter what, guys. 200K. Let's go! Hey, big love, team. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the likes. I did not see who did the last 50,000 likes, but probably Lina and a couple of others, guys. Big love. How to get the setup? How to get the setup? How to get set up? How to get set up with what? You just mean how to potentially take a trade, Travis? When are we gonna be in our zone, guys? When are we gonna be on our zone? Lina, Layer, thank you for the like, guys. How to get you on my setup? And what do you mean by setup? What do you mean by setup, bro? Do you mean like the fib, or what do you mean? Yeah, silver that's trying to break both moving average. Xauusd rejecting again the 20%. Xauusd was basically playing on the 20% for the whole session. Kind of slow, and the yield are still dropping. We're in still. No, we're waiting, yes. We're still waiting. What is your fib setups for us to set in your charts? So how do I place my fib? This is the question. So our by Fibonacci, guys, our by Fibonacci, I can show you. Our by Fibonacci is set up from here, lowest impulse, which is 45.52. Highest impulse right now, 46.67. This is our by impulse, lowest impulse to the highest impulse. For our self Fibonacci, what we have is the highest impulse, 48.02. Lowest impulse, guys, is the 45.52. That is the lowest impulse, team. Hope I respond to your question, though. Man, you never enter trade. Ha! Hey, what do we respond, guys? What do we respond to 2005? Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Cha-chow! Get the fuck out. There you go. And he got his bio ICC Mafia. His bio is ICC Mafia. That's wild, bro. That's wild. On what percent on fit to level as Bison? Bro, are we waiting? Tell us, yes, we are. When I live your life, it goes to your prediction. It does. It does. So when you place the fib, how do you read it? Our main level, guys, 38, 61, and 88. After that, how do you place the zone? You gotta place them on the most factual. Oh, let's go. We got Banny. We got another one. Get the fuck out as well. What's your bio? Premium Indian hair bundle. We ship nationwide. Cha-chow! ICC Mafia on the dust. Yeah, who else agree with ICC Mafia, huh? Who else? Let me know in the chat who else agree. Do you think we'll get back to 4,800? Yeah, bro. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. And this is why we do not enter no sell on a 50% fib. And why come in the game just leave it live? You know, people gotta feel reassured, gotta feel validated. You know, as you TP for silver, please. TP for silver. You enter a trade on silver, bro. I do not trade silver. I use silver as a confluence. Which zone the strongest today? 61. 61 is the main Fibonacci zone. 61 is our main Fibonacci. The main fib that is used by the bank. Break our fib again, guys. Broke our fib again. Bullish momentum is very strong right now. Bullish momentum is super strong, guys. We're not. Oh, no, we're not. How much do you lose before getting profitable in your career? You Guys, I did not lose much, alright? But I do not want you to think because you are losing much, then you're doing the wrong thing. Of course, you're doing something wrong, but I did not lose much. Can I buy now? No. No, but you can if you want. If the question is it valid? No, it's not. Going to see Pedal. It's night here in Australia. Thank you for the stream. Big love, Samantha. Thanks to you. See you tomorrow, Samantha, if you're here with us. As this might be a good short. On which, on 4708? On 4708, yeah, very strong short. What if that gets red claws? What if this get a red claws? Good question, but your question is, are we? I can already hear Maria. Is your question will be are we gonna enter? Does that get a red close? No, I'm not gonna enter if this get a red close. We will need a crazy structure to enter on this 50%. Is 76. 76? There's no 76, guys. We have a 71 and 78. Which one are you talking about? The 71 or the 78? It is a crazy wick.
Got big for the night. She's hidden for the light. She sees a vision going. Up night after night. See how she looks in trouble.
Yes, 4708. That's what we're waiting for.
She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference. That's what you're coming for, but they don't wanna let you in. You can't be back to the
Get ready to sell! Potentially, yes, guys. Potentially, yes.
She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. She can't tell the difference yet.
With this momentum, it might break the sell zone. The sell zone is very solid, though. Sell zone is very solid. It might break it, yeah. Tu vas sell potentiellement bon. Potentiellement, where can we be the potential TP for short? 46, 47. 46, 47 is pretty strong TP.
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it seems like I can see the sands on the
Show us, please, your flip now, guys. Catalaya, how are you doing, Catalaya? I cannot show you my flip settings, but Catalaya, I think my support or me already sent them to you, you know? Slowly aiming towards our 4708, guys. slowly but surely. I delete all my social for a time. Okay. Then just text my support. We'll respond to you. You know the drill. You know the drill. You have a nice playlist. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Neutral on days like interest rate announcement. FOMC. We're on the market. Do we trade? It's a different. It's a different game. It depends, bro. Next FOMC, we tapped, I think, 1,500 pips trade pre-FOMC. It wasn't the ring FOMC though. Watch you guys, indicator, Fibonacci. I'm really so sad because I can't do KYC with the broker because my country is not in the option. Stizzy, text me, bro. I can approve any country. If you are able to open the broker, I can approve any country, bro. Text me, give me a text. Depends on the deposit, of course, but give me a text, bro. Getting some rejection on our $61 zone. Can we put, no, we cannot put sell limit, no. Sell limit is entering the market like this. Can we enter the market blindly? No. Easy to love me. Can you accept me, please? Yes, yes, I got you guys. Guys, for the new people over here, team, I'll accept every one of you in that tele, guys. Super simple, guys. Link in the bio, team. Open with the browser. Open with the browser. And what you want to do is, come on. Valley Wi-Fi. 3 little dot, and you open with the browser. You're gonna be in the big group, guys. I'll accept every one of you, team. I'll accept every one of you right before the next trade or after the live. Bro, any news for those bullish? No. We had the unemployment claims 2 hours ago. Came out positive for more than expected for the USD. The job to event that didn't take the sell before. Oh yeah. I mean, guys, look at this. 1 fake out, 2 fake out, potentially a 3rd fake out over here. Patience, team. Don't worry, from Canada. Sat 47.29 is better. What is happening on 47.29? We got a 71. 71 is not real strong. The Xauusd is still dropping. We get the yield. Look at the yield, guys. This is the M15, by the way. This is the M15. Will we trade tomorrow? Yes. At least we'll be in the market. Are we gonna trade another different? It's another question, but yes, we're gonna be in the market looking for trading. Ooh. Sell. If you want to sell, sell. Is it valid to sell right now? No. What is the US yield? The US yield is the interest rate that the United States of America can pay back to the investor, to the people, to the investor that loaned them money. Get them any. My heart is beating fast. Wow. Why? Why, bro? Is it valid to sell now? It's not valid to sell now, no. Which fib are we in? What's the fib, guys? What is the fib? There's no fib. There's no zone. There's nothing. We're in the middle of nowhere. We have the XY dropping, even if the small reversal doesn't mean nothing. Look at the yield. No, of course it's not valid, no. It's not valid, no. Guys, he predict 2 fake outs. Just be patient when he say Yeah, of course we can never predict, but it's all about market patterns, guys. It's all about price action. It's all, I mean, even if this price action goes down, doesn't mean it was a sell, no. It just means that the PA come down, you know? So no, guys, patience, team. Patience, guys. Especially at the end of the New York session like this. Over here, it's what? It's 11 p.m. So Montreal, New York, it's 11 p.m. as well. Patience, yes, it is. Allez vite, Thomas, is turning 11, let's make a banger. Just have to put a stop loss on the buy limits. No, guys. Do not use a buy limit. Do not use a buy limit, guys. And brother, how do you pick up your zone? With our Fibonacci team. Adele, we got a warning, Adele. Yeah. I think because of my pen, huh? It's because of my pen. They think I'm smoking. I think I'm smoking because of my pen. OT has the pen. Yeah. TikTok, it's a pen! Small rejection coming from 4690. Very slow close, slow. Very low close, super low close. AVG, so we'll get up, so best sell. Should tell TikTok valuable. Value moving average 200. Valid to sell now. No. It's not valid, it's far from valid. Far from valid. It won't go up, guys, don't sell. Even if it doesn't get up, guys. Even if it doesn't get up, there's a big difference between price pulling down and a sell, you know? Does we have to put a stop loss? Bro, there's no sell limit. This is not a sell limit. This is a sell zone, alright? It's not a sell limit, it's a sell zone. If you listen to Black Coffee, only the mainstream. Your wise man, big love, we appreciate it. Name of US yield and trading view, please. It's the US government bond. You have your own trading account to playing unfunded. Of course I have my life. We're not playing unfunded though. But yes, I have my live account. I also have funded account. I got a warning, yes, because they think I'm smoking. No, TikTok, it is my pen. It is one of my favorite pen. You missed ECT trade. Why you didn't take it, bro? Where's the SL if it's in the X zone? Highest week, guys. Highest week! SL highest week, team. SL limit and stop loss could be confusing. They can't tell a difference. Yeah, guys, no sell limit, never. Can you answer my question? Yes, what's your question? Of course. Guys, I do not answer your question. If I do not answer your question, it's not because I do not want to, it's just because I do not see it. I answer every question. Do you think gold will go up to 47? Yes. Yes, definitely. After this screen will fly and the 47.29 sell. What's up with the 29? What is happening on the 29? I don't understand what is the hype on the 29. I don't know if there's a couple of guys that told me the 29, or it's just the same guy that is spamming the 29, bro. What's the US yield, Adele? The US yield is the interest rate. Is the interest rate of the United States government. They owe money to the investor that lent them money. Same guy? Yeah. Yeah, bro, what's up with the 47.29? What? Because there's nothing on the 47.29. There's a 71, but 71 is one of our worst fib. We buy or sell. Nothing right now. We're looking for sell. So use as a confluence, yes. Do you trade the order block? No. We do not trade the OB, no. No, we do not. Alright. Correlation between the US yield, inverse correlation. Inverse correlation. When the yield goes up, then what does that mean? That means gold goes down, all right? And the opposite, same. When the yield goes down, then that means the yield goes up. What time do you go live? Every day, guys. Every day, London and New York session. Every day, London and New York session, bro. If you want the exact time, not the exact time, but you know, if you never want to miss a trade, bro, I'll trade. I'm starting to get tired, huh? I'm starting to get tired. Join the big group, bro. Join the big group. Super free, completely free. But the London session, which I usually open at 11:30 Dubai time, sometimes a bit before. And New York session that I usually open at 5 p.m. Dubai time, UTC +4. Running passion for sell. Why do you not trade Asian session, brother? You guys think I'm a robot? You guys think I'm a trading machine? I mean, guys, I trade London and New York. If I trade Asian, when am I gonna sleep? When I'm gonna manage the community? When I'm gonna post video? When I'm gonna do calls? When I'm, you know? I already trade 2 sessions, London, yeah. Why do you want me guys to sleep? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna get some water. 1 second. How do you choose between the fib on the H1 and the M15 on the time frame? It really depends on the PA, guys. It really depends on the PA. It depends of if we have an aggressive continuation to the upside or downside. It really depends, guys. It really depends. Is that your house? It could be. It could be. Yeah. It could be, but right now, no. But it could be. Yeah. How many trades do you usually do a day? It depends, bro. It depends, man. Between 1 and 4, I would say. Market slowly down for reversal. Maybe, yeah. It's 46.67, also a small buy zone. Yes, it is. The 20%? Yes, it is, bro. It is the 20%. I thought his session is your morning. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's 6 a.m., 5 a.m., something like that. Oh yeah, it's basically my morning, like 7 a.m., something like that. Yeah, yeah, it's true. Yeah. $220,000 like guys. Appreciate it, team. Do the mentorship, but you said I do both, bro. I do both. Making money is awesome, but if you can make money and learn at the same time, it's better. We going short, gang? Yeah, potentially, bro. Potentially, man. Meaning 38, 61, 88. 38 is used for aggressive retracement. Is used for aggressive continuation, sorry. The 61 is the main fib of the bank. Is our main Fibonacci that most of the time present the most confluence. And the 88 is for aggressive retracement. So 38 aggressive continuation, 61 is our main main Fibonacci of the bank, and the 88 is used for aggressive retracement. All my favorite person symmetry. Maybe because you have a bigger fib, bro, that's why. That's why. Can you say that all again? What? The meaning of the fib? So 38% used on aggressive continuation. By the dip, basically. 61, main Fibonacci of the bank. 88% aggressive retracement. How come we're rejecting 46.90 so hard? Because it presents some liquidity. Some liquidity, and it was a previous support zone. It was a previous resistance zone. Taking more trade today though. We took a trade today on London. We did not took a second trade. No. Sell now? No. Do you learn from your own? Yes. A bit to I had 6 weeks with a mentor. I wouldn't be here without him. But yeah, mostly on my own. I use Fib for my entry and TP and SL. Is that good? Yes, of course, that's good, bro. You should bet the SL no. But entry and TP, yeah. What does it mean when the EMA goes over the candle? That means it's rejecting the candle. That means it's using the PA as a support, maybe as a resistance. You said over, so using it as a resistance. Wesh, how do you do when you present on the level? It's not me that determines the percentage on the level. It's Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is a guy that create the Fibonacci, and he determine the Fibonacci, the percentage on each level. Are we selling now? No, we're not. No, we're not. How much money is required to start? It depends what you want to start, right? Of course, it depends what you want to start. But if you want to make substantial profit, it's $1,000 for me. I start with $1,000. And if I would have started with less, it would have taken me way more time. But yeah, substantial profit. Live account, you do not want to hear about funded or whatever you have your reason, then yeah. How do you set your entry and TP on the fib? I do not understand this question. How do I set my entry and TP on the fib? For the TP, we use a reversal. For the entry, I do not understand the question. Don't wait for another set of this going on the range from now on. Maybe guys, maybe. I'm gonna wait a couple of more minutes, then we'll see. We'll see. I just want to see what we're gonna do. If we're gonna break to the upside because we're so close to the sell zone. You either wear your big love. Appreciate it, guys. Or if we're gonna smash to the downside. How do you decide when to enter and put TP? How do we decide to enter? We have 14 confluence and put TP. So we look at reversal zone. If, for example, we took the short over here, then we're going to look at the reversal zone. So basically, what are the buy zone? And we're going to put our TP there. Why don't trade Forex on Xauusd? Because Xauusd is the best pair to trade. It's the main pair that the bank are trading. So we following the bank. I blew up my account 2 times. It's okay. Just gotta learn from your mistakes. I also don't see it coming today, tomorrow for sure. Maybe, guys. Maybe, team. Maybe. I have blown 4 accounts. And encourage. I mean, bro, you can't lose if you don't give up. You can't lose if you don't give up. This market, yes, it is. You said you only open website, then how do you get to TP3? The TP3 is not about opening 3 positions. You take partials. So if you open 1 position, 10 lots, for example, then you maybe take partials on the TP2, 50%. Then you take the other rest of the position left on TP3. What about all? All is used in the macroeconomic context, not on the day-to-day. We'll be giving us live update today. What do you mean, bro? I always give live update. So you place the fib and the sell zone on the red line. So you place the buy and sell zone on the red line. Not necessarily, but most of the time, R38 and 61 and 88, this is what you probably mean by the red lines, present the most confluence. So yeah. Forex, Xauusd, bro. Hey guys, give me 2 minutes, alright? Give me 2 minutes, I'm coming back, team. 2 minutes. Okay, guys. I'm back. What did you guys say? The mosquito has eating. Or, you know, the price is moving down. Nah, I had a little visitor. The big spider swallow, man. They've been on the charts all day. I'm a trader, guys. I'm a trader, team. Hey, where's my phone? 1 second. I'm a trader, guys. I mean, if I'm not on the chart all day, or where I'm a B, well, where I'm a B, guys. Team, do you think we might get? No. This is what I was gonna tell you. Close the live right now. Closing the live right now. Slow New York session. Tomorrow is a bank holiday. So let's see. All right, the banks are still open in the States. Tomorrow is our Money Friday, team. So yeah, guys. I expect a lot from tomorrow. Let's see if we can smash the market. Let's see if we can kill the market. Let's see if we can milk this market to finish the week. Well, a Money Friday. So yeah, guys, thank you for today. The visitor news cause yeah. No? The visitor had to we're gonna win tomorrow. Yes, we are. We're winning. I mean, guys, we are solid right now. And the market will be closed tomorrow. No, we'll not. We'll win every day. We do win every day. Final thought on the movement. Final thought, bro. Choppy, fishy. Do not take that. And internet or external, which to use for. I don't understand. Yes, it will be open. So yeah, pretty much it, guys. Happy to be with you today. It was a nice little day. Cash out Thursday, guys. A nice little trade this morning. Then pretty slow, team. So big love CFX team, big love CFX team. See you tomorrow for our Money Friday, guys. CFX team, is it valid to swing if it retraces to a good level? It is. CFX team, stand up. Yes, it is valid. So we didn't get anything today. I guess you wasn't here this morning, bro. See you guys. What time you come? Every time the same come, guys. Every come the same time. Every day the same time, team. For the people that are not yet in the tele, guys. Link in the bio, team. Guys. The flow doesn't work, but yeah. Link in the bio, team. So big love, CFX team. Big love, CFX team. See you tomorrow for our last day of the week, guys. There is filming the new look. Yeah, I mean, still not there. See you tomorrow, guys. CFX team, stand up. We love you more, team. Love you more, guys. Love you more. Big love, CFX team. See you tomorrow, CFX team. I appreciate it. Thank you for the heart. We out. That's an AP on your wrist. It is. CFX team, we out. Fuck, bro. I'm still live on YouTube. There's no way, guys. One day I'm gonna stay on live for like hours on YouTube. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. I'm still live on YouTube. That is crazy. And you guys are just watching. And you guys are still watching. Okay, guys. No problem. VIP session is on. Alright, Civics team. Alright, Civics team. Hey, it's props to Xonaka. Big props to you. Nika, appreciate it. Because without you, I would have keep on the live for I don't know how long. She texted me on tele, and I was on the tele, responding to a couple of messages. I would have stayed on live for I don't know how long. I don't know how long. And you guys are still watching. What you guys want to see, huh? What you guys want to see, guys? You guys are cheeky. All right, CFX team, take care, guys. See you, Ricardo. See you, Trader Mama. See you, Samantha. See you, guys. See you, team. CFX team, we out. Well, why did you not take the trade from the bottom up? Not valid. Wasn't valid. That's why. So next team, we out, guys. Big love, team. See you guys.